Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We got the Jeep inside. We're going to take a bigger in-depth look on what we're told is the problem. Anthony's on the other side. He's helping me out. We got it on the lift. Let's go from there. Look at the boys helping me out. Thanks, boys. Lewis coming to rescue. Derek, you guys rock. Woo! Woo! Full transparency, this scares the heart of me. I had a Jeep TJ fall off the lift and almost on top of it. So I really appreciate Derek, Lewis, John staying there for support, Anthony, of course. Let's see if it goes up. All right, there it goes. It's going in the air. Didn't fall yet. Shake it, shake it. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere.
There's a little bit in that one.
Wait, let me hold the wheel because it looks like it's steering right.
Okay, we do have a little bit of play. Keep going. Yeah, okay. Keep going. We have a little bit of play here and here. So this one does have some play in it. These are solid. These guys are solid. The ball joints on this side are solid. I didn't get to check them on that side, but I would say it's this. This is the drag link, I believe. I don't know. I'm not a Jeep person.
So
I don't know what they call that thing.
So Derek said they could be better. So we're gonna change the whole thing out. Just because if you're gonna do one, you might as well do the whole thing and upgrade the steering stabilizer because this is the stock steering stabilizer, right?
Yeah, there's a good chance the steering stabilizer could even be bad, contributing to the problems.
Gotcha.
Can't test that until it's off.
So this is the second test. Just wanted to double check to see what the shop looked at the other day, and yeah, so we'll go with that. We'll start looking at some parts to change it out to. This is also original equipment. Is all OE, so it'd be nice to swap it out for something beefy. All right, folks, here we are. We need to get a new steering kit and a few other things. So I have decided to go with Synergy Manufacturing. I've known the owner for a very long time, makes good quality, heavy duty American products. Some of the bonuses are, comes with the heavy duty tie rod ends, also the drag link flip adapter on top of it. But overall, it's just a badass heavy duty kit. I'm also a big fan of the Way of Life Jeep channel, and this is his go-to as well. So that's always a good thing to see. It includes the Fox steering stabilizer as part of the price. I think we'll just keep it basic like that. My boss doesn't really go off-road, and if she does, it's basic trails. The other thing we need to add here is the adjustable front track bar. Now this track bar is no joke, heavy duty. It's definitely going to add some weight compared to the stock one, and I think overall she'll be a lot happier driving this Jeep once it's all together and centered, because right now it's far from centered. It's horrible. But all right, with that being said, I guess we'll end it here. I'll order the parts, so the next video will be us installing it and getting this Jeep dialed in so we can enjoy, well, my boss can enjoy driving it, and I can just wave at her as it goes by. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video.